day 7. We're out here picking 40 acres, about 2 or 3 miles from the shop. And guess what I'm getting ready to do? Work on my combine again. I've got that screen non-stop beeping at me, telling me I've got a temperature sensor bad in my air conditioning system, which I have right here. So I gotta take this buddy seat out and put that sensor in there. Yesterday, broke out the new corn head, all fancy, got automatic header height, and redesigned snouts, snouts. But that's because yesterday my corn header quit working on one row, and this was the fastest alternative to get back up and running. So yeah, still working on combine, just like have been in the past like 3 videos. So I'm gonna take this buddy seat out and put the sensor in, see if it stops beeping at me. Sensor was below this. I had to pull the heater core out to get to it, but I've already got the new one back in. This is what the underneath of the buddy seat looks like with all your AC and heat. This fan's also making some pretty loud noises, so that's something to look forward to. Other than that, everything seems to be okay, just dirty, extremely dirty. I'm gonna throw this buddy seat back in here and get back to shelling. Unloading. We're on a different 40 now. Moved over here, split up, got a waterway running through it. It's got 3 fields, but it makes about 40 acres. Had to move a bunch of trucks, so we've only got about half of it done here. Moving. wet tank, dryer, calling it an evening. We shelled about 110 acres today, which ain't bad, but supposed to rain tomorrow morning, kinda. We'll see what that does. Hopefully we can get back at it afternoon or something. It ain't supposed to rain much. It's plenty dry, it ain't gonna be muddy. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Everybody, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you next time.